Fathom Analytics Pro app. The pros, the cons. Fathom Analytics Pro app is a game changer for marketers, but most people get this wrong. It's not just a simple analytics tool. The surprising truth is that it combines privacy-first tracking with clear, actionable insights, all without overwhelming dashboards. One major pro is simplicity. Unlike complex platforms, Fathom provides straightforward metrics like unique visits, referrers, and goal conversions. You don't need a data science degree to understand what's happening on your website, which makes it ideal for small teams or solo marketers. Another advantage is privacy compliance. Fathom is GDPR, CISPA, and PECR compliant out of the box. This means you can track visitors without using cookies or storing personal data, which reduces legal risks and improves user trust. The app also offers real-time analytics. You can see traffic spikes as they happen, monitor marketing campaign effectiveness, and quickly adjust strategies if performance dips. However, there are cons. Some advanced marketers might miss the deep segmentation and custom reporting features found in platforms like Google Analytics 4. Also, integrations are more limited, so syncing data across other marketing tools may require workarounds. In conclusion, Fathom Analytics Pro app is perfect for marketers who want clean, privacy-focused insights without drowning in complex metrics. Its simplicity, real-time reporting, and compliance features make it a smart choice for modern businesses. If you value clarity and user privacy, Fathom is worth a close look.